In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your dashboards in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up a new dashboard from a template, fine-tune its basic settings, and handle key management tasks like setting a default, updating access, and organizing with tags. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the left panel for the reporting icon. Hover over it to reveal options, then select Dashboards. Inside the Dashboards area, click Create Dashboard. Here, you can start from scratch or choose from templates. To keep things quick, select a template. When you pick one, a panel will slide open on the right. You'll see a description of the template and what it's best for, plus a list of included reports you can check or uncheck. This is helpful if you want a lighter or more focused dashboard without rebuilding anything. Click Next and the right panel refreshes so you can set the basics. Update the dashboard name to something clear and recognizable. Add tags if you use them to group dashboards by team, function, or project. Tags make searching and filtering much easier later. Then choose who can access the dashboard. Use this to keep sensitive reports limited to the right audience or to open visibility for shared KPIs across the company. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Dashboard. You'll see a confirmation at the top. Click Exit in the top left to return, and your new dashboard will be ready to view. If you have multiple dashboards, use the drop-down at the top to switch between them. It's a fast way to move from, say, marketing performance to sales pipeline without losing your place. To manage your dashboards, click Manage Dashboards in the top right. This takes you to the Reports tab with your full dashboard list. Hover over any dashboard to reveal the Actions button. From there, you can clone to duplicate a dashboard, open dashboard details to review info. Set as default so it opens first when you go to Dashboards. Manage access to adjust who can view or edit, or delete if it's no longer needed. If you check the box on the left of a dashboard's row, you'll see bulk options appear at the top. Delete, change owner to hand off responsibility, manage access for multiple dashboards at once, and add or remove tags to keep everything neatly organized. And that's it. You've created a dashboard from a template, named and tagged it, set access, confirmed it, exited to view it, switched dashboards via the dropdown, and managed your dashboards using both single action and bulk tools.